Did you know that your snoring gives you brain fog and makes you feel constantly tired, forgetful, and fuzzy-headed? I've snored my whole entire adult life, but I didn't realize that it could have such an impact on my life while I'm awake. Z-Quiet is the easiest way to end your snoring, and it works the first night you try it. Since using Z-Quiet, I have stopped snoring altogether. Your snoring may be causing you brain fog. Try Z-Quiet.